If you want to see what this is going to be the replacement for this. We've cut off the end of this. This is a control lever for the thing.
Skid steer.
Skid steer, thank you. This hole is so out of round.
It's worn out.
And that is the actual size that the hole needs to be. So if you look straight down on it, you can see how wallowed out that hole is. And
okay.
so...
Okay, so here, take the camera.
This was the easiest
way.
way.
Take the camera.
Yeah. You're going to cut.
I'm going to cut.
All right. Be very careful, please. Careful, it's hot.
Yeah, it just might be hot. Needs to be cooled off.
And then notched, and then...
I got that notch there. Table, trash can work on. Took the table outside. Where's the original one?
On the table outside. New snips. Guess not.
I don't think there's much gas up here. That might be really hot. Okay, it won't hurt that. Out a little bit. Let's come out way out. There.
Better wheel, huh?
I was gonna say you hit it with like a 120 flapper wheel, make it really nice. Okay, so there's the, oh, it's hot. There's the piece welded on there. We V'd it out. Welded it, and then ground it off flat. So it's not like we're grinding off a weld that's not there because it's down in a V. And it was V'd on that side and this side. You know, it's a lever. I think it's probably fine. And then what I said, we need some case paint. You know what case paint is? It's a case. This is the color. We don't have any of that color.
I want to see how it does with the handle on it if it's all floppy. I'm gonna put it back on the machine.
Yeah, but then, okay, whatever. But I don't want that to rust.
Well, we could take it back off.
Of course, everybody loves patina now, so yeah, what the heck? Just let it rust.
Let it rust, because there's no rust on the rest of the machine.
Okay, so you want to put this back on your machine?
Yeah. All right. So just
Okay, so this is where it goes. It looks like this one, except it's a mirror image. It's over here.
yep. And now if you look, it's not connected up or anything, but if you look, if I hold this, see this moves this way this much, and it moves.
So that's not the arm anymore. That's the handle that's got the looseness in it.
Well, there's some looseness in that, maybe in the pin. Yeah, the handle has some looseness. But if you compare that to that.
Oh, to that piece of crap. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see this one. Oh yeah, obviously. So now we have to fix the other one.
Can you imagine how sloppy the machine feels trying to handle it with that compared to that?
Yeah, that'll be almost normal.
So that's what we're going to do on the other side as well. And that's going to refresh the handling of this machine quite a bit. There is slop in other parts of this machine, but it seems like right here, there's a little bit of slop, and there's a little slop in everything. It's like the front end of a car, you know, after years of. But this is just
that's terrible.
Really excessive, and it also applies to you moving the bucket and everything. So like everything, you feel it so much right there.
Okay, so
that's our
it's
next.
fixed.
It is fixed.
Or that part's fixed. Is there a pin in that pin? Like a cotter pin or something? What holds that pin in?
It gets a cotter pin, yeah.
Okay. Stomach doesn't feel good. Back hurts. Just not up to what I want to be up to.
Me neither.
Okay.
Well, you gonna do the hole?
Oh, I guess. I thought you were going to grind it off flat first, but okay, I'll do the hole. That's going to be a little tricky.
Do you want me to spin it around? Nope, you're walking around. Okay, with what's in there. It melted down.
Oh, my shaky. Let it cool. You don't want to harden it any more than it is.
All right.
I can feel it's harder than the other stuff. You want to flip it over?
Eh.
Is that what you wanted?
It's not flat over here. Can't see it.
You gotta drill it.
It's great. Thank you. You got to be the sexy daddy bear kind.
Kim drilled this out. I wanted her to show this to you, but I said people don't want to look at me that much, and she says I have to be sexy, and I said I'll never be sexy again. I don't know if I ever was. Okay, so this is the pin that goes in there. Fits real nice, and the inside, I thought there'd be a bunch of porosity in there, and there isn't. Got a little burr right there. We can knock that off with a bigger drill bit or a piece of sandpaper or something. But it's oh yeah, it fits nice. Good job.
Yep. Now all we have to do is fix everything else in the machine we're ready to use.
Actually, I think it was less work to weld that up and drill it.
I think
rather
so.
than replacing the end. But
well, the other way we did it, that's the way you wanted to do it.
So there's two different ways to do this. Both worked well, but I think this was less work. So, okay.
Cool.